I'm Cha Palmas, your customer success manager and boarding here at Sprout Social. And today, I am really excited to show you a neat little trick in our premium analytics tool, the bulk tagging via the post performance report. And trust me, it is a game changer. Make sure you get access to our premium analytics feature and you head over to the report section here at Sprout, click over to post performance reporting. Here's where the magic happens. You see this little checkbox in here. You may simply tick that and all the posts that fit your filters will be selected, just like what you are seeing right now. Super easy, right? Now, you can add tags to them in bulk. By tagging your post, you are unlocking valuable insights into what's resonating with your audience and what's not. And here's the best part, you can bulk tag posts based on specific criteria. So let's say, for example, you can search, let's say coffee. There you go. And once you've set all the filters here above, you can once again check all of these that could qualify. You could also search for hashtags and then bulk tag them depending on how your organization uses the tagging. Thank you so much for chatting with me today and see you till next time.